Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 80-second algorithm video. In this task we would want to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. So first we would need to understand some rules to determine if a year is a leap year or not. In the first step we would see whether a given year is divisible by 4. If it is not divisible by 4, then it is not a leap year. However, if it is divisible by 4, we go to the next step. The next step is to check if it is divisible by 100. If it is not divisible by 100, so we declare it as a leap year. However, if it is divisible by 100, we go to the third step. And if it is divisible by 400, it is a leap year. However, if after all these steps the year is not divisible by 400, it is not a leap year. I hope I have made this clear to you. Let me go through it again. If a given year is not divisible by 4, then it is not a leap year. However, if it is divisible by 4, we go to step number 2. We check if it is divisible by 100. If it is divisible by 100, then we check if it is divisible by 400. If it is divisible by 400, it is a leap year. However, if it is not divisible by 400, it is not a leap year. However, in step number 2, if the year was not divisible by 100, we don't go to the third step, we declare it as a leap year. Now let's make the algorithm year to determine whether leap or not. For example, I give it a year of 1992. If year to determine if it is divisible by 4, we go to the next step. If it is also divisible by 100, and if it is also divisible by 400, then leap year is true. However, if the year is divisible by 4 but it is not divisible by 100, this if and else are in the same level of indentation. If the year is divisible by 4 but it is not divisible by 100, so according to rule we would declare it as a leap year. So leap year would be true. Similarly, if the year was divisible by 4 and it is divisible by 100 but it is not divisible by 400, so we would declare it as not leap year, else leap year is equal to false. And if the year was not even divisible by 4, we would declare it as not leap year. At the end we check if leap year is equal to true, we print it's a leap year, else we declare it as it's not a leap year. Now let's show the results for the year 1992. So 1992 is a leap year. Now if I change the year to, for example, 1996, it's a leap year. If I change the year to 1900, it's not a leap year. And if I change the result to say 2015. It's not a leap year. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.